the other hand, I feel if the Thakres lose very badly, it will be a complete crisis for them. I think this alliance won't continue between Raj Thakre and Uddhav Thakre if they lose very badly. But yes, if they do well, if they win about 70 to 80 seats and form a strong opposition in the BMC, they would see this as a success mantra going ahead till 2029. So I think the alliances, how they face off in both the sides, these results will determine in a big way the future of the alliances on both the sides.
I also want to get a quick word in from Yasha. Yasha, again, this is whole thing about, who is the Thakre legatee? Who will carry forward Balasaheb Thakre's legacy? Is it going to be Mr. Shinde or is it going to be Uddhav Thakre and Raj Thakre, the cousins united after 20 long years, saying that they are the only saviors of the Marathi Manus? But it doesn't seem to be having resonance amongst the people, at least if you go by the exit polls. That doesn't seem to have resonated with the voters of Mumbai.
Absolutely, Zaka. In fact, when we speak of the exit polls, of course, there's a clear edge for BJP. But here, when it comes to the legacy of Balasaheb Thakre, of course, in the last couple of years, we've seen the Dhanush Ban or the name of Shiv Sena, all of it went with Eknath Shinde. In fact, in the Vidhan Sabha elections as well, we clearly saw Marathi Manus voting for Eknath Shinde, which is where we saw this whole political development of Thakre cousins coming in together on, the Marathi versus Hindi debate. Here, of course, that's where they said that they were the actual Thakres. They were the one who were taking Balasaheb Thakre's legacy further. But, also what's important to note is that now, once we see that the counting begins, is where ward-wise, we'd understand the whole trend ward-wise. Clearly, when it comes to the Thakre brothers, they've had a stronghold in Marathi pockets, which includes places such as Lalbagh, Parel, Worli. In fact, last time around Vidhan Sabha elections, even you were aware how Worli, in fact, saw a close fight initially when last time Aditya Thakre, who had become the MLA from Worli, he had won with a big margin of around 60 to 65,000 votes. Now the margin had narrowed down to 8,000. And that was in Sena's bastion itself, wherein Aditya Thakre was contesting against Milind Devra. Here, what's important to note now is that all of these pockets, be it Shivri, be it Parel area, Dadar, all of these have been Sena's pockets. They've been areas which have been dominated by Marathi-speaking people, and all of these areas have always been the pockets which give Sena that huge margin. Now, if these pockets, these wards have a corporator from the Eknath Shinde faction, will be a clear indication that the Marathi Manus did not really accept the whole Marathi Asmita point that was being raised by Thakre cousins. But if that's not really the case, then of course their vote bank still remains with them. So all of these are important questions.
Also here joining us live on the location here, Mr. Vyas. So if the Thakre brothers lose this election, is this debate settled as to who is the true legatee holder of Balasaheb's legacy?
Jaka, as far as who is the true legatee holder of Balasaheb Thakre, our founder, has been decided last year itself when the assembly elections took place.
No, but the Thakre brothers are saying this is the last stand.
They may claim anything, but as far as the people of Maharashtra is concerned, they have already decided in November 2024 by assembly election which was fought under the leadership of then.
So it doesn't matter what happens in the BMC?
I don't think they are going to do well as far even when projection is there. But we are hoping much better than what has been projected yesterday evening. But as far as the legacy is concerned, we have no doubt in the mind of Maharashtra people, the true legacy holder. And
why are they then saying that only they will ensure a Marathi mayor, and if you come to power, it won't be a Marathi mayor? Even the chief minister had to intervene in that whole debate.
N number of times, my leader and as well as the chief minister of Maharashtra has gone on record saying that there will be a mayor who will be from Mahayuti and who will be a Marathi mayor. What else you want?
Mr. Jha, the point is that this is not resonating with the voters. Clearly, it's not resonating with the young voters. It's not resonating in the exit poll numbers. They seem to have moved on. They want development. They want, their life needs to be better. Their livelihood needs to be better. They're not bothered about who is Marathi, non-Marathi, etc., etc.
The thing is that the emotions play a major role in politics in every region. In Maharashtra also, the Marathi people have an emotion, and that emotion is required to be sustained by any political party who comes into the power. And if you cannot sustain it, then you should not be in power also.
No, but they are saying that they don't trust you to be the holder of those emotions.
It is not the question of trust, or it is not the question of public faith. which has eroded or which is going to be eroded. It is the purpose for which the politics has to be done. We have never done purposefully politics for the purpose of gaining power. We have done all the work which is required for the purpose of public. And we have never gone into the public for the purpose of sitting on the chair, because every time the majority of the party says that we require to gain power and we were there for the
So, but for the
purpose
last
of power.
25 years, you've been in power in
Yes,
the BMC. Look
we
at
have
all the
been-
problems in Mumbai.
No,
Traffic,
we have been in,
potholes,
power,
monsoon flooding,
but with
pollution.
With that, BJP was also in power.
So they are also equally responsible.
And they want to escape that liability, so that cannot help them out.
Aarti Khule, you want to escape responsibility. You are also in power, claims Mr. Jha. Although I think it was Shiv Sena exclusively running the BMC.
Yes, Shiv Sena was exclusively running the BMC, though we were there. I was member on education committee since 2017, so I know what had happened. And we also, like after 2017, we were basically, acted as a watchers. कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग बहुत कोशिश कर रहे थे कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं वो देख रहे हैं. दूसरी बात 25 साल सी मराठी में एक फ्रेज है, दैव देतं आणि कर्म नेतं. सो मराठी माणूस, मुंबईकर, महाराष्ट्र has given love, affection, power to Uddhav ji and Raj Thackeray ji. Of course, it was in the name of Hindu Hriday Samrat Balasaheb Thackeray. Balasaheb Thackeray was never limited to Shiv Sena. It was in the heart of Marathi Manus. It was in the heart of every Maharashtrian.
No, but they are saying that your party destroyed Balasaheb's legacy.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. You tell me, this is ये बाला साहब जी का जन्म शताब्दी वर्ष होने वाला है. मैंने पूरे कैंपेन में ना उद्धव जी से इसके बारे में कुछ सुना है, ना राज जी से उसके बारे में कुछ सुना है. मैं गर्व के साथ कहना चाहती हूँ, महायुति का जो मैनिफेस्टो आया, वी हैव मेंशन्ड इट कि ये जो उनका जन्म शताब्दी वर्ष है, वी आर गोइंग टू डू समथिंग फॉर मुंबई.
उनके पार्टी तो आप ही ने थोड़ा था. You invented one Mr. Shinde from nowhere.
No, see, our friend just said that कि Shiv Sena never, but they didn't wanted to कि power के लिए कुछ भी करना है. What happened in 2019? What was the reason? Why उद्धव जी felt कि नहीं अभी हमें यहाँ से छोड़ के शरद पवार जी के साथ मिलना है. सत्ता के अलावा कोई और रीजन मुझे यहाँ पे नहीं.
लेकिन वो तो सेटल हो गया ना. पिछले जो विधानसभा इलेक्शन था 2024 में, वो सवाल तो सेटल हो गया. अब इस बार चुनाव में कौन सा क्वेश्चन सेटल होगा?
देखिए, मुंबई, as you mentioned that, youth wants to see development.
Yeah.
And BJP is giving that visible development. I mean, I remember that कि when coastal road was happening, उसका construction चल रहा था, many people came out, environmentalists came out कि इससे harm हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. But when actually metro happened, when actually coastal road happened, we have seen that many people from media also, they came forward, they said that कि ये necessity है, बहुत पहले होना चाहिए था, जो इतनी late हो रहा है. But yes, people are happy with it कि now it's happening.